Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping your inputs. Add your microphone, desktop audio, and any browser or application captures into OBS now. Once added, assign each source to its own mixer channel so you can control levels independently. This prevents accidental clipping when you boost one signal. Make sure to enable audio monitoring on the mic channel if you need to hear yourself through headphones. These early steps let you balance signal routing before you touch filters or advanced routing. Now you set levels and refine sound quality. Lower the fader for loud sources and raise gain for quiet ones. Pan where needed for multi-channel setups. Add a noise gate to cut background hiss, then a compressor to control dynamics so soft speech is audible and loud peaks are tamed. Use a parametric or graphic EQ to reduce muddiness or harsh frequencies. While adjusting, watch the peak meters and aim for an average between -12 and -6 dB. Finish by routing channels to specific tracks. Pick which channels go to your stream versus your recordings so you can isolate or remove audio later. Then record a short test clip and listen critically through good headphones. Tweak compressor threshold, gate timing, and EQ if vocals sound thin or boomy. Once satisfied, lock levels and save the scene collection. If you run into problems, make sure sample rates match across devices. Set correct default audio devices and update drivers. These fixes resolve most routing and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.